is my video. It is a MCP in the screen cord. Click quick screen cord and click this box to video. And okay, let's start. All you need is obsidian, sticky stone, wooden pressure plate, slime block, oak wood planks, command block, grass block. Okay, let's start. You need to dig 3 times 3. And some piston and some I need to dig 2 times in here. Break, put command block and dig times 2 and top, click command input and type TP add P these following symbols and 50 and the one. Follow me. And this all command blocks typing is sorry. This is oh no. TP add P. Oh, I'm not sure about this symbol. 50 and cover at obsidian and break the block in the middle and place slime block and wooden pressure plates and it's time to go. Hey, boog. What? Yeah, I'm entity 303 and go in the setting. Adjust the volume and third person front. Oh, I'm entity 303. Going in this. Wow, what happened? And back. Oh, I'm lagging. First person. And guys, and the sign is thanks for watching and please subscribe and like or share. Bye!